Hello everyone, welcome to Dimple's Knowledge Academy. Today we will see kinds of sentences according to the structure, and this is our part 3. A sentence may consist of one clause, it may be independent clause or more clauses, it may be independent and dependent clauses. So before starting, we will see what are independent and dependent clauses. First one, independent clause. An independent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb and expresses a complete thought. It is also called main clause or principal clause. तो independent clause क्या हुआ? Group of words जिसके अंदर सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब होगी और वो एक्सप्रेस करेगा कंप्लीट थॉट. इट मीन्स दैट इज अ सेंटेंस. वी नो ऑलरेडी सेंटेंस क्या होता है, जो कंप्लीट थॉट हमें बताता है. नेक्स्ट इज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस. A dependent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb but does not express a complete thought. A dependent clause is also called subordinate clause. अब dependent clause क्या है? वो भी group of words है, उसके अंदर भी subject and verb है, but वो clause, वो sentence हमें complete thought express नहीं करेगा. It means वो अपने थॉट को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए किसी दूसरे सेंटेंस के ऊपर, दूसरे क्लॉज के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. On the basis of numbers of clauses, the type of clauses present in a sentence. Sentences are divided into 4 kinds. अब हमारे on the basis of number clause and the type of clause present in sentence, हमारे जो sentence हैं वो divide किए गए हैं 4 kinds में. First one is simple sentence. A simple sentence consists of only one independent clause containing a subject and a verb, and it expresses a complete thought. It has no dependent clause. Simply, जो हमारा simple sentence है, it means that is a independent clause only. क्योंकि independent clause के अंदर और sentence के अंदर same rule follow होता है कि उसके अंदर subject, वर्ब एंड प्लस वो एक्सप्रेस करता है कंप्लीट थॉट को, और इसके अंदर कोई भी डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज नहीं होता है. इट मींस सिंपल सेंटेंस एंड इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज का मतलब सेम हो गया. एन इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इज कॉल्ड अ सिंपल सेंटेंस. Examples: she laughed, she ate a banana, they are running, I bought a watch. So here we can see subjects are given: she, they, I. These are the subjects here, and verb also given here, and plus object is given. By looking at subject and verb object, we are able to see these are the complete sentences. They are giving us the complete sense of a sentence. Means they are expressing, वो express कर रहे हैं complete sense को. Compound sentence. Compound, by hearing the compound word we are able to think. Compound का मतलब होता है it's a mixture of something. A compound sentence consists of at least 2 independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunction. Yes. तो अब coordinating conjunction के बारे में हम conjunction chapter में पढ़ेंगे. Just remember रखना है कि it's type of conjunction only. तो compound sentence के अंदर at least का मतलब कम से कम 2 independent clause होने ही चाहिए. There is no dependent clause in a compound sentence. और compound sentence के अंदर कभी भी क्या नहीं होता, डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज नहीं होता है. इट मीन्स इट्स अ combination of two independent clauses or more than two also. The coordinating conjunction used to join the independent clauses are for, and, nor, but, और, yet, so. बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस क्या हो जाते हैं हमारे कि इसके अंदर दो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज आएंगे और वो ज्वाइंट बाय किससे होंगे, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन से. और कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस कौन कौन से हुए यहाँ पर, फॉर, एंड, नॉर, बट, और, सो. Independent clauses can also be joined by a semicolon. Yes, तो जो हमारे independent जो clause दो होंगे वो join कर सकते हैं semicolons के द्वारा भी. A comma may or may not be used before the conjunction in a compound sentence. तो comma use भी कर सकते हैं और नहीं भी before conjunction in compound sentence. I hope you understood this. Let's see examples. I like ice cream, but my brother likes chocolate. So here we can see two independent clauses are given. I like ice cream, my brother likes chocolates, and both are giving us full information. And here, but is coordinating conjunction. I did not help him, and he became unhappy. I did not help him. He became unhappy. Both the clauses are giving us full information. And is coordinating conjunction. This is the recognition of compound sentences. Here we will get two independent clauses plus coordinating conjunction. He failed many times, yet he is not discouraged. I asked him a question. He replied correctly. So here in third sentence, yet is the coordinating conjunction. In fourth one, semicolon is the coordinating conjunction, and both the sentences are independent here. So if you want to watch next two kinds of the sentences, watch next part. Thank you. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Do like, share and comment.